Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to make dal and rice together in the Instant Pot using the pot in pot method, which will save you time, hassle and extra utensils to wash. Though I have to mention that in this video I have made a simple konkani style dal, which is known as dalithoy, along with rice, but you can use the same method to make the dal of your choice. So let's get started, shall we? For making dal and rice together in the Instant Pot, turn on the Instant Pot on Saute mode and start with the tadka or tempering. For making this konkani style dal, I have heated up the ghee and gone with the South Indian style tempering of mustard seeds, curry leaves, green chilies and hing. You can go with the tadka of your choice depending on the kind of dal you are making. Then add in the dal that has been properly washed and drained and fresh water to cook the dal. For pressure cooking, I prefer 3:1 water to dal ratio, which is why I have used 1.5 cups of water for half cup of dal. Then add in the salt and give everything a quick mix. Now place the trivet inside the pot and place the pot of rice that has been washed and drained on the trivet. Then add in the fresh water to cook the rice. I prefer soft and fluffy rice, for which I use 2:1 water to rice ratio. So here I have used 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Then close the lid, ensure it's sealed and pressure cook on high for 10 minutes. If you're okay with a chunkier dal, 8 minutes of pressure cooking is enough. I prefer a smoother consistency, for which 10 minutes are required. Once the cooking cycle is complete, let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes and then manually release all the pressure from the pot. When the float valve has gone down, open the lid. As you see, you'll have perfectly cooked rice, which you need to take out. And it's best to use a puckered or pincer tongs to take it out and not use your hands as I've done, as it'll be really hot. Then take out the trivet. As you can see, the dal is cooked, but you can still see the soft dal chunks, for which you can simply use a whisk to make it into a smoother consistency. I personally prefer a really smooth dal, so I also pre-soak the dal for 30 minutes before pressure cooking it, but that is optional. I do it because I prefer a really smooth consistency and I cannot increase the pressure cooking time beyond 10 minutes, else I'll get overcooked mushy rice, because the cooking time for rice is only 6 minutes. And a few additional minutes for rice is fine because it's cooking further away from the heat source, but it's still best to keep it as close as possible to the regular cooking time of rice. So I pre-soak the dal to give it a head start. Finally, depending on the consistency of dal you prefer, you can add a little more water and adjust the salt if required, and start the Instant Pot on saute mode for a couple of minutes. And at this point you can also add fresh chopped coriander leaves if your recipe calls for it. I skipped it because dalithoy doesn't. And there you have it, dal and rice cooked together in the Instant Pot. I hope you try this recipe, serve it with your choice of accompaniments and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below, and if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!